173 water intake facilities across the nation. Among them, 51% have been operating for over 30 years, and their facilities are aging. WellTech takes the lead in ensuring a safe and clean water supply infrastructure. Since its establishment in 2014, WellTech has achieved meaningful results in the field of water intake, both domestically and internationally, through continuous research and technological development. As a result, WellTech has successfully completed water intake facility projects for over 20 local governments and public institutions in Korea, as well as for a Turkish power plant, earning recognition for its capabilities in the global water industry. WellTech's growth as Korea's leading water intake developer. It is based on the dedication to solving problems. WellTech focused on the issues of existing water intake facilities. The use of concrete perforated pipes with an opening rate as low as 1% led to inefficient water intake. Large-scale construction of intake areas caused increased project costs and environmental damage to rivers. Aging and clogging in concrete perforated pipes were also significant problems. To address these issues, WellTech developed the construction new technology No. 838 water intake method. WellTech's new intake method is designed and constructed in a radial or parallel arrangement, depending on the characteristics of the river, ensuring stable water intake capacity. Additionally, 4 filtration layers have been added to allow for the extraction of high-quality water, and backwashing systems for intake and surface use have been installed to solve the persistent clogging issues of water intake facilities. This reduces the need for maintenance costs that would otherwise be spent on river dredging or gravel replacement. An efficient technology that allows for ongoing maintenance. But WellTech didn't stop there. Instead of using traditional concrete perforated pipes, stainless steel wire wedge screen pipes were applied, increasing the perforation rate to 50% and ensuring higher water intake efficiency per unit area. Furthermore, backwash systems for intake were installed inside the perforated pipes to remove blockage causing materials from both the inside and outside of the pipes, making them nearly permanent. A maintenance system was also developed, allowing for cleaning at any time using high-pressure air. As a result, previously wasteful maintenance costs were reduced, and periodic clogging problems were easily solved. A remarkably efficient technology. This allows us to now access safe water at home and in industrial settings through WellTech's environmentally friendly water intake facilities. Upgrading aging water intake facilities and creating a water supply infrastructure that enriches both people and nature. WellTech is leading the way.